Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Pay through Jotform's Stripe checkout integration. This is a seamless way to accept payments from your customers who prefer using Apple Pay, making the checkout process fast and secure. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your account without any delays. After logging in, look toward the upper left corner of the page where you'll see My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to the area where all your existing forms are stored and where you can create new ones. Now, in the upper left corner of this page, you'll find a button labeled Create Form. Click on it, then choose Start from Scratch from the options presented. After that, select Classic Form to begin building your form from the ground up. This gives you full control over how your form looks and functions. Once you're in the form builder, direct your attention to the left panel and click on Add Element. This is where you'll find all the different components you can add to your form. Navigate to the Payments tab and from there select Stripe Checkout. This integration is what will allow you to accept payments, including Apple Pay, through your form. Next, click on the Payment Properties icon. This will open up a right side panel with various settings. Look for the yellow button in this panel and click it to connect your Stripe account. You'll need to have a Stripe account already set up for this step, as it's the payment processor that handles the transactions. After connecting your Stripe account, it's time to add a product. Click on Add Product and customize it based on your preferences. You can set the product name, price, description, and any other details that are relevant to what you're selling. If you need to manage inventory, go to the product settings and navigate to the stock section. Here you can enable stock control if you want to limit the number of items available for purchase. This is particularly useful if you're selling limited quantities. Now let's test everything to make sure it's working properly. Click Preview Form in the upper right corner of the page. This allows you to see exactly how your form will appear to customers and test the payment flow before publishing it live. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, click Publish at the top of the page. When the publishing options appear, make sure to copy the direct form URL. You want the standalone link, not the embed code, as this ensures top-level access and proper functionality with Apple Pay. Since I don't have any Apple device available right now, I'll explain the next steps for you to follow on your own Apple device. Open the published form URL on an Apple device using the Safari browser. Make sure Apple Pay is already set up in your Wallet app, as this is required for the payment method to appear. Fill in all the necessary form fields, then click Submit to launch the Stripe checkout page. You should see an Apple Pay button appear as one of the payment options. Click on it, authenticate the payment using Touch ID or Face ID, and confirm the transaction. Once the payment is processed successfully, you'll be redirected to a success page confirming the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully set up Apple Pay through Jotform's Stripe checkout integration, making it easy for your customers to pay quickly and securely. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.